In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall apps in Windows 11. So the first thing you want to do is click on this start icon here, this start, and then click on settings. In case you can't find settings here on your PC, just search for settings here and click on settings. While on the settings page, click on apps. While you're here, click on installed apps. So here you have a list of all the apps you've installed. What you want to do is either scroll down on your list to find the app you want to install, or you can search with the name of the app here on the search bar. But for me, I can just scroll down. I think I know the app I want to uninstall. So you just click on this three dot button here by the side of the app you want to uninstall. You're going to see an option to uninstall. Click on uninstall. You're going to be prompted this app and its related info will be uninstalled. So to continue, just click on uninstall. It's asking if I want to keep user settings, remove user settings. So I want to remove user settings. Click yes and continue. And as you can see, the app is being uninstalled right now. It might take some time depending on the size of the app you're trying to uninstall. But as you can see, this is done. MuseHub has been successfully uninstalled. Just click on OK and continue with whatever you're doing. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, consider subscribing, like and share as well.